So in this video I'm going to be going through drawing page 2, part number 7. First thing I'll do, just like I've done in the previous videos, is draw out the view that's missing. It should look something like this. Alright, so I've got AutoCAD opened up. Just like in the previous videos, I'll start by creating a line across the bottom and a line going up along the left hand side. Your offset tool, I'm going to offset 5 inches. I'm going to offset 2.5. And then to give myself space in between my views, I will offset the 1 inch. And I will offset the width of my object, and the height of my object is 1.5 or 1.5. This line up, this line over, create this line, use my trim tool, and trim out so that all I'm left with is my top view, front view, and right side view box. Right? So now if I look at my object, this line here is 1 5/8. First thing we need to do is figure out what 5/8 is as a decimal. So I will open up my calculator. 5 divided by 8 equals 0.625. So in an AutoCAD, I'm going to offset 1.625. Hit enter. Do that on my top view right here and right here. I'm also going to do that on my front view right here and right here. Right, now I go back to my blueprint here. This line is 13/16. So I figure out what that is as a decimal. 13 divided by 16, 0.8125. So in AutoCAD, I'm going to offset 0.8125. My top down, bottom up, top down, bottom up. Use my trim tool, select my trim tool. I'm going to select my front view, hit enter, and I'm going to trim out all the lines that I don't need. Delete these 2 remaining lines. And there's my object. Just like our previous drawings, I'm now going to look at my dimensions. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimensions. I'm going to switch to my dimension layer. Click linear. We have a dimension that goes here to here. Notice that it did switch it to the fraction. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimensions. There is drawing page 2, part number 7. Thank you.